Okay, so I thought I'd make a quick video on how to bleed your brakes. A couple of weeks ago I showed you how to replace the pads. Remember the back brake's got an extra reservoir here, and that's the one that works with the foot pedal. So you want to check your fluid level on that before you begin. Okay, so the bleeder valve for the foot-operated hydraulics is this one here, and it's 1/4 inch. I'm just going to go ahead and put the wrench on there. I'm going to reach over with my hand and apply pressure, and then I'm just going to crack the valve. And then before I bottom out, while I'm still pushing down, I'm just going to tighten the valve back down. Okay, I've already done this a few times, you can see. But what I would do is I would basically do that twice. I check the fluid level in the reservoir, and I do that a few times. The nice thing about, you know, bleeding the brakes on a four-wheeler is you could actually change out the fluid this way just by doing it a few different times. Okay, so that's how you do the foot-operated hydraulics on the rear brake. Now this valve here is for the hand lever, because the hand lever on this Polaris actually runs the front brakes and the rear brakes. And I'm going to show you how to do that one by yourself as well, because none of my family members really want to give me a hand. So we come up with these innovative ways to do things. Okay, the brake fluid reservoir for the hand lever operated brake mechanism is here. And you can see I've got a good amount of fluid in there. And here's what I'm going to do. I have a bungee cord. I've got a good amount of tension. And I'm just running to this metal piece back here. You could basically hook it anywhere. I wouldn't hook it onto a piece of plastic, but you could say use this battery hook, you know, depending on the length of your bungee cord, okay? So the nice thing is, I'm just going to pull this out all the way, and it's putting constant pressure on here, okay? Okay, so I have the bungee cord putting tension on my hand lever, and I'm just going to go ahead and release this bleeder valve here, and you should be able to see, okay? I'm just going to tighten it down. I'm going to go pull the lever back out so I have tension again. Okay, on the last one for each side, what I'll do is I'll just basically crack it, and then before the lever goes in all the way, I tighten it down. And now I'm just going to run through the same procedure. I'm going to do the front left, then the front right, and I'm done. So this is how you can bleed your brakes. I didn't do it when I changed out the pads, but I mentioned that I might make a video, and here it is. It's a one-man operation, and if you run through it a few times, you could actually bleed your lines all the way and put all new fluid in, which is what they recommend. So hopefully this was helpful. Leave questions and comments below, and have fun.